Would you like me to hand you the single craziest thing ever? A complete done for you business that is ready to deploy and that is exclusively yours. This is not where you're going to be one of 500 people who get the same exact business idea. No, you're going to get something that is just for you and only for you. Nobody else will have it except for you. If that sounds really cool, stay with me because I think you're going to love what I tell you when I tell you about the 7-figure launch system. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, made my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, they make Alexa's dad jokes look really good. And Alexa has some really bad dad jokes. Yeah, they're terrible. I mean, you know, this morning we asked her for a Star Trek joke, and she said that Mr. Spock gets Captain Kirk to crack a smile by setting his phasers on ton. I mean, seriously, and my jokes are even worse than those. So anyway, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, what you hear is two things: I review software and info products that make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, in my ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart. You know, Bart started off this whole thing with the crap thing. There's a whole bunch of other people who have joined in since then, but he's the original. He drives me crazy with this business about crap. Nobody wants the crap part. Get a new line. Seriously, if you're new to the channel, if I, the way things work here, if I like your product, I will give you a tip. My answer to the product here. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she's a sweetheart, and I love Liz. You know, the fact of the matter is that she does say the same thing every single week, but I can't get angry at somebody who's so sweet about it. Anyhow, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop my videos. So thanks to subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for 7-figure launch system. Now, if you haven't heard this yet, this is from Michael Cheney. Michael is one of the biggest names in the make money online industry. Basically, what he's done is he's put together multiple products that have made him really insanely wealthy. I mean, the fact of the matter is he's done incredibly well, and he's really shared a lot of value in this course, teaching you how to launch your own info product and make real money from it, how to get affiliates, how to do everything you need to do. He's going to give you every single detail that you need to know in order to make this happen. Now, there's one thing, and I'm going to show you members in just a second, but I want to tell you about my custom laws because there's one thing that he is not doing for you that nobody else will do for you. Okay, that is to give you a money-making idea that you can run with and create a product. Ultimately, basically, the idea is what you're going to do is you're going to take a money-making idea, you're going to implement it, and document your journey, and that's going to be your product. That's basically what you're doing when you create one of these info products. Okay, some sort of business idea. And the thing of it is, though, that basically when you're doing that, you kind of got to come up with a good idea, and it kind of feels like every single idea under the sun has already been taken. Now, the truth of the matter is there's plenty of good ideas that haven't been taken. There's plenty of good ideas that have good twists on them. But a lot of people tell me, Eric, I can't think of anything to do. I don't know what to do. And so that's where I come in. Now, what I could do, I put together a list of 30 different business ideas that can be launched with very little money, very little time invested. And, you know, I'm not going to give you a business idea that's going to make you, that you're going to say, yeah, as long as you have $100,000 to invest and you want to put in 3 years of your life, then this could make a lot of money. No, no, no. I'm not going to do that. I understand that you don't have a lot of money. You don't have a lot of time. You're doing this in spare time. You have a few bucks maybe to spend. You want something you can actually deploy right now. And that's what I'm giving you. I have 30 different business ideas I put together, but I'm not going to give you 30 ideas. You see, because if I did that, then everybody would have the same ideas and people would just say, okay, let me go down the list. Okay, number one, this looks good. And I'm going to start doing that. And everybody will do number one, maybe a couple go to number two. And, ultimately that means that you're competing with 30 other people for the same idea. So instead of doing that, what I've done is completely unique. Every single person, the first 30 anyway, who buy the seven-figure launch system from me gets their own unique business plan. This is something that I put together for you. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do step by step to make this work, a complete business plan, either for traffic or making money online or whatever it is. I'm going to give you an exact business idea that you can implement and start putting it together to see success. You're going to document your own journey, and that's going to be your product. All you got to do is follow my exact blueprint step by step, and it's going to be exclusively for you. Literally nobody else is going to have this except for you. It's only yours. This is the craziest thing I've ever done because you don't have to do any work. You don't have to think about it. You don't do any research. There's no guesswork. There's no trying to figure out will this work or not. I've already done the research. I put these together for you so you know these are going to work. And you're going to get it with the $9.95 purchase. But that's not all you're going to get. I'm also going to hand you Thrive Architect, which is the same software that I use to create my own sales pages. Plus, I'm going to hand you my Done For You sales page. I've only given this away once. There was a bonus with a $500 product, and I'm giving it away now with a $9.95 product. That is truly insane, but I'm still not done yet. Beyond those three things, which is truly, truly crazy, beyond those three things, I'm going to give you something even better. Pick up the first upgrade to the seven-figure launch system, and I will make you a custom-made video sales letter. Okay, these are the same video sales letters that I usually charge $500 to make. You're going to get it completely for free from me. I will make it right for custom made for you. Nobody else will have it. It's only written for you. And I will record the voiceover. I will make the video for you professionally, completely done with music and everything, with the B reels, the whole 9 yards, the same kind of videos that I use to make thousands of dollars. I'm going to make one for you, completely, totally for free. Pick up the entire funnel, and I will make your entire custom sales page for you. The entire sales page, start to finish, with all the copy, all the graphics, all the text, everything. I'm going to hand it to you on a silver platter that you're going to be able to immediately just plug it in. Okay, whatever business idea you want me to do it for. If you want the one that I give you, great. If you want something else, you can do something else. Doesn't matter. I'm going to write it for you and hand it to you on a silver platter. You literally just plug it in. It'll take you 5 seconds, and boom, you're done. That's what I'm doing for you. Literally nobody else is going to do that for you because this is a completely insane idea. And I just want you to see that I think this is such a great product that I'm willing to go the extra mile for my customers to have this thing because I know this thing is going to help a lot of people out. Now, I do want to show you the members area real quick over here. Okay, so this is really, really one of the best things I've ever seen. And, the first video is worth its weight in gold. Okay, basically, he's going to tell you, I'm not going to give you all the details, but he's going to tell you about how to create your avatar. What does that mean? It's not like, the movie Avatar where, you're fighting in a forest or doing like, the whole virtual reality thing. I have one of I have one of those virtual reality things right here. And I'll show you over here. Quick, I can get it off the stand. Here we go. See, I got one right here, but you won't need one of these guys in order to actually do this. You don't need to do anything with avatar and virtual reality. Basically, what it means is like this. What it means is that you are going to create your very own perfect audience. What does that mean? Basically, you're going to figure out who would be desperate to buy whatever it is that you have for sale. Once you figure that out, you are going to be able to make a ton of money. Okay, and so he's going to show you exactly what's involved in doing that. It's really one of the best things I've ever seen. Really, really good. He's also going to show you the free traffic hack here is not the usual free traffic hack that you usually see. Usually people tell you, oh, go on Facebook and, friend a bunch of people and whatever else. And that does work, but it's kind of saturated. He's not doing that at all. He's going to show you a very unique method that I've never seen anybody really talk about that's going to help you to actually start building up your actual free traffic with actual buyer leads. And it's a really, really unique method that really is going to help you out quite a little bit in order to be able to build things up for yourself, to be able to build your list and start building some real sales for yourself. So really, really very, very good stuff. And again, you pick this up from me, you're getting Thrive Architect, which usually costs $89 a year. Okay, plus you're getting my $2,000 sales page. That's what it cost me to have it made. Plus, I'm going to give you your very own, completely unique, just for you, custom business idea that you can go and run with. I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do, and it's only for you. Nobody else will have it except for you. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you your own custom-made video sales letter. Pick the full. I'm sorry. Pick up the first upgrade. Get your own custom-made video sales letter. Pick up the full funnel, and I will write your custom-made sales page for you. Nobody else in their right mind is going to do this, but I will. This is my pledge to you. I'm going to do this for you. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt, try to create it or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Well, that was pretty predictable, right? I mean, this is absolutely insane. This is one of the best things I've ever seen. This is so worth grabbing. You absolutely have to have this thing. The man in the hat behind me would also give a tip of his hat if he wasn't a painting, because this is really, really incredible. Grab this, you're going to love it.